In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock your Facebook profile like this. It's very simple and easy to do. So without further ado, just follow these steps. Okay, first, you need to open Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Now at home, click the three lines button at the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Here, scroll down again and go to Language and Region. Choose the first option, Language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. Now, you need to change the language to Myanmar's language called Burmese. Okay, why we need to do that? It's because the option of locking your Facebook profile is only available for few countries, and one of them is Myanmar. Here is the Myanmar's language. Click on it. After doing that, the language of your Facebook account will turn to Burmese. Don't worry, we will turn it back to English after locking our Facebook account. Now, to lock your Facebook account, go to your profile by clicking your profile picture. Click on the three dots button at the right side. Now you can see this shield icon here. It is the lock Facebook profile option. Click on that. And now click the blue button here. It says lock your profile. And finally, click on the blue button again. My Facebook profile is now locked. And the next step is to turn my language back to English. Just repeat the process. Go to Home, click the three lines button, and go to Settings and Privacy again by clicking the gear icon. Now you can go back to Language option by clicking the globe icon. English. And we're done. Now let's check if we have successfully locked our Facebook profile.